Okay, 7th graders, this is to help you with question 3 on CR number 6. Which statement best describes a situation in which opposite quantities combine to make 0? Okay. What I would do is I would read over each A, B, C, and D, and I'd actually figure each one out and see which ended up making 0. So let's take a look at letter A. For letter A, Angie had 100 sheets of paper and she divided them evenly into 5 folders. Well, if you have 100 sheets of paper, you divide them out into 5 folders. The question is, how many sheets of paper per folder? Well, 100 divided by 5. Some of you might need to long divide, and that's fine. My guess is there's not going to be 0 in each folder, but who knows? Let's check. So then I say, how many times? Well, 5 can't go into 1. It would be a 0 there. 5 goes into 10 twice. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract off. That's 0. Drag down the 0. How many times does 5 go into 0? 0 times. 0 times 5 is 0. So 100 divided by 5, it means you'll have 20 sheets of paper in each folder. Sheets in each folder. Okay, the whole point of letter A is that's not going to make 0. I'm looking for it to combine to make 0. Letter A, those numbers combine to make 20. Let's take a look at letter B. Mandy deposited $200 in her savings account, then added $200 her following pay period. Okay, so if you deposit money into your savings account, that's a positive quantity. So you put $200 in, then added means we're going to add in an extra $200. Well, guess what her savings account is now up to? 200 plus 200. She now has $400 cash in that savings account. Does that combine to make 0? No. Certainly not. Let's try the next one. Paul and Josie are on a team. Paul scored 5 points on his turn. Excellent. Josie lost 5 points on her turn. Maybe they're playing a card game or something. I have no idea, but they're teammates. Paul scored 5 points. So if he scored 5 points, that gets him positive 5. And Josie lost 5 points. Well, a loss of 5 points would be minus 5. So what's the overall net change for their team? 5 minus 5. Their net overall change is 0 points. Because he gained 5 points, she lost 5 points. Overall, that team is neither up or down. They're at 0 points right now. So it looks to me like in my example, letter C combines to make 0. But for fun, let's just go ahead and figure out D. Mario bought 2 sodas. They each cost $2. I'll just draw a little picture. There's one soda. It's a beautiful can of soda. Sure it is. And then he's like, oh, I better buy a second soda for my good friend. So there's his second soda. Ugly sodas. But this first soda is $2. This second soda is $2. So he bought 2 sodas. Each of those sodas was $2. How much money did he spend? He spent $4. You could also do $2 plus $2 is $4. All right? So it looks like $4 was spent on letter 4. The only one that ends up being 0 is letter C. All right, I hope that helps. Just figure out what each one is. Oh, yes, it's 3:41 in the morning. Oops, sorry about that.